We did just reach 40,000 likes, so we'll do a dad joke in a second. La Josie, thank you so much for the hand hearts. Every cent goes to the rescue. That's so kind of you. McKenna said so beautiful. Glad you're enjoying it, McKenna. Peyton Renee, thank you for the follow. And Peyton Renee, thank you for the rose. Every cent goes to the rescue. That's so kind. Speaking of that, Shakira, thank you for the rose. Peyton, thank you for the heart me. Squiddy, he has been painting since April of 2022. He painted that painting in about 53 minutes. He's